In northwestern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Freeport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dakota and Rock City around 6:45 p.m. Davis around 6:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, QZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur. Until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dakota, or 7 miles northeast of Freeport, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. Evansville, Broadhead, Orphanville, Albany, Footsville, Fulton, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Cooksville is expected. Expect lightning and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Milton, Ezra, Evansville, Broadhead, Orphanville, Albany, Footsville, Fulton, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Cooksville, Judah, Avon, Indianford, Lyman, and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 6:26 p.m., the Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Leonard, or near Mount Carroll, moving north. Includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Miro, Carroll, DeKalb, Ford, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Rock, and Wowers. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet forums for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West Mortgage 8536 in DeKalb. located along the line extending from near Mount Carroll to near moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
Until 10:30 p.m.
50 miles per hour.
23 p.m.
Source, radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. 40 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Polo around 9:40 p.m. Franklin Grove and Lost Nation around 45 p.m. Franklin Grove and Lost Nation around 9:50 p.m. Oregon, Amboy, Tecatonica, Ashton, and Woodhaven Lakes around 9:55 p.m. Winnebago, Lake Somerset, Durant, Stillman Valley, and Sublette around 10 p.m. Rochelle and Hillcrest around 10:05 p.m. Paw Paw around at 10:10 p.m. Beloit, Love Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, and Rodden around 10:15 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to along the line extending from near Mount Carroll to near Ellis. Malta around 10:30 p.m. Hampton Hills, Wonder Lake, Bull Valley, and Lily Lake around 10:45 p.m. McHenry, Hunley, Green Grove, Hampshire, Spring Grove, and McCullum Lake around 10:50 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 110. Interstate 90 between mile markers 19 and 56. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
On the lowest floor of the building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Davis to near Sexton to near Mount Oil, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard. Until 11:30 p.m. At 10:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Mendota to near Camp Grove, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected to tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mendota around 10:20 p.m. Around 10:30 p.m. Around 10:30 p.m. Plano and Tonga around 10:45 p.m. Yorkville around 10:50 p.m. Oswego and Sugar Grove around 10:55 p.m. Aurora, Streator, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, and Grand Ridge around 11 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Millbrook, Triumph, Rainbow, Harding, Dayton, Prairie Center, Kingsman, South Wilmington, Bristol, and East Brooklyn, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 77. Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 119. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorm warning number 3 remains. Marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, near-shore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Midway until 12:30 a.m.
At 10:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles northwest of McHenry to 15 nautical miles west of Elgin to 57 nautical miles southwest of Joliet, moving northeast at 69. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 65 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds.
Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waukegan Harbor and Winthrop Harbor around 11:05 p.m. 59th Street Marine around 11:50 p.m. Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Cameron Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor around 11:55 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores and Dune Harbor around 12:05 a.m.
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin. 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Wind east at 55 miles.
Lake Winnebago, Williams City, Walmart City, Clinton, North Prairie, Montana on Geneva Lake, Darien, Hill Lake, Otter Lake, and Powers Lake. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
North Prairie, Palmyra, Montana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Hill Lake, Otter Lake, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, eastern Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 11:30 p.m. At 10:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near southern Lake Winnebago to near Slinger to Richmond, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Sheboygan, Wautosa, Fond du Lac, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, West Bend, Mount Pleasant, Mosquito, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, and Cudahy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The following is a summary of watches. Warnings and advisory.
County in northeastern Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern and central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Gilbert to near Sandwich, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Carpentersville, Barrington Hills, and East Dundee around 10:50 p.m. Watonda, Barrington, Island Lake, Inverness, Lake Barrington, Fox River Grove, Port Barrington, and Tower Lakes around 10:55 p.m. Aurora, Naperville, Palatine, Lake Zurich, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Hawthorne Woods, Kildare, Channel Lake, and Forest Lake around 11 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. for McHenry and Blue counties. At 10:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to Marengo to near General to near Leland, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
If your retirement plan is on set it and forget it, it's time you take control. Tune in Saturdays at
What? What was that?
Get the most out of your retirement. Saturday mornings at 9 right here on WLS AM 815.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until midnight. At 11:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Boulder Hill to near Seneca, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 11:15 p.m. Romeoville around 11:40 p.m. Woodridge and Lamont around 11:25 p.m. Greenwood, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Diamond around 11:30 p.m. Palos Hills, Wilmington, Bridgeview, Chicago Lids,
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm
around
warning for
11:35
County in
p.m.
northeastern Illinois,
Oak Lawn,
southern Cook
Burbank,
County
and
in
Ashland
northeastern
around
Illinois
11:40 p.m.
midnight.
Englewood, Roseland, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, and Manhattan around 11:45 p.m.
Near Seneca,
South Shore,
55 miles per hour.
Cleary around 11:50 p.m.
70 miles per hour.
This is a dangerous situation.
Source, radar
Rainstorms are
indicated.
producing widespread wind damage.
Expect considerable
Take
tree
shelter
damage.
now inside a sturdy
Damage is
structure and
likely
stay
to
away from
mobile
windows.
homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 11:15 p.m. Romeoville around 11:20 p.m. Bolingbrook, Woodridge, and Lamont around 11:25 p.m. Braidwood, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Diamond around 11:30 p.m. Palos Hills, Wilmington, Bridgeview, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Palos Heights, Worth and Lakewood Shores around 11:35 p.m. Oak Lawn, Burbank, and Ashburn around 11:40 p.m. Englewood, Roseland, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, and Manhattan around 11:45 p.m. South Shore, Chatham, and South Berry around 11:50 p.m. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Take shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorm warning. These severe storms will be near Plainfield and Boulder Hill around 11:15 p.m.
until 8 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Boulder Hill to near Seneca, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 11:15 p.m. Romeoville around 11:20 p.m. Bolingbrook, Woodridge, and Lamont around 11:25 p.m. Braidwood, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Diamond around 11:30 p.m. Palos Hills, Wilmington, Bridgeview, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Palos Heights, Worth, and Lakewood Shores around 11:35 p.m. Oak Lawn, Burbank, and Ashburn around 11:40 p.m. Englewood, Rosewood, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, and Manhattan around 11:45 p.m. South Shore, Chatham, and South Berry around 11:50 p.m. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorm watch number 3 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday, and now includes the following: Winter Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 30 has been canceled, which includes the following counties in Illinois.
February 33rd. Why? Why?
Because when they talked about doing something, my son was more concerned about retaliation to her because she's in a mainstream school. And
Oh my lord.